In the world of classic cars, few names evoke as much fear and fascination as the Shelby Cobra 427 Super Snake. This is a story of rarity. In the year of 1966, the legendary American designer and racer, Shelby, birthed his magnum opus, the Shelby Cobra 427 Super Snake. He dubbed it the Cobra to end all Cobras, and rightfully so. Its heart-pounding speed could leave even the most seasoned racers trembling. Today, the sole survivor of this breed is CSX 3015, the original 1966 Shelby Cobra 427 Super Snake. It made headlines in 2021, fetching a staggering $5.5 million at auction. The other Super Snake, CSX 3303, met a tragic end, hurtling off a cliff into the unforgiving Pacific Ocean. What truly set the Super Snake apart was its aluminum body, a rarity in the 1960s. This featherweight construction enhanced its power-to-weight ratio. The Shelby Cobra 427 Super Snake isn't just a car, it's an enduring legend. With only one surviving, it stands as a relic of automotive history, blending rarity and peril into a mesmerizing narrative. Shelby's opus continues to captivate the world, a testament that true legends are timeless.